So this video is again going to be an After Effects tutorial. Wait, don't be scared, don't be afraid. It's very easy, it's very simple. So in one of my friend's video who produces electroclassical music, I made a video for him with a write on text effect. Wait, let me show you so that you can get a clear idea of what I'm talking about. So this effect is not that tough inside of After Effects and it takes almost no time to do that. So let's jump into After Effects and see how to accomplish that task. But before moving further, intro. So for the write on text effect inside of After Effects, let's first create a new composition. We will rename the composition to write on text and rest of all is fine. We will create the composition. Now let's create the text what we want to animate. Let's type. Okay, so this font is cool. You can see the font is Gloss and Bloom. It's a very popular font actually for travel films. So let's go on with this one because it looks cool. Okay, so now what we will do, first let's align it, right? Let's center align it. So now it's perfectly aligned and now we will create a mask using a pen tool. So let me just give you an idea how to create that mask. Just think of how you write on paper. So just think of the hand movement, how your hand goes while writing a text, and we will imitate exactly the same way using the pen tool. Still not clear? Let me show how. So we will select it using the pen tool. So we will create mask like this as if we are writing it on paper. Okay, so our mask is complete. You can see that we have exactly done it how we actually do on paper. So now we will go to Effect and Presets and just type stroke. So in generate stroke we will drop it in the text layer and mask 1 should be selected. If your mask 1 is not selected, then this will not work. So just make sure mask 1 is selected because you have just created that mask over the text layer. So we will now change the color so that the mask is totally visible, because white over white will not be visible. You cannot see it. Now we will increase the brush size such that the entire white part gets totally covered. We can adjust some points to make it completely covered like this. Maybe we will increase the brush size a little bit more. So yeah, that's done. Okay, a little bit of here. Yeah, now it's complete. You cannot see the white part and the total is covered with the blue part. So now what you have to do, make sure the timeline ruler is at the beginning of the timeline. Set the end to 0%. Toggle animated. Maybe we want the effect to be 3 seconds long. I guess that will look good, and increase it to 100%. And we will select reveal original image. So now you can see we have this beautiful write on text effect. So that is cool, right? Let's show you one more time. We have this beautiful write on text effect. So that's very easy. In the same way I did the same effect on my friend's video. You have already seen that it was a long text, so I gave more time to it. It took a little more time, but the effect still looks very good. So I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, then what are you waiting for? Consider subscribing it. And so yeah, that's it for today's video. See ya.